going to this awesome spot down the road from my house. It's right off this road. Got a little fresh powder. And we're gonna go check out this hill, this little cliff jump, this hill that I know about. All right, we made it to the spot where the cliff jump is, down the road from my house. Put some cones out for my car. Check out these sweet woods. There's the cliff jump over here. Go look at it real quick. All right, here's the cliff, guys, jump. Obviously we're not gonna go from the top because I'm a normal snowboarder. But maybe we might be able to get off to the side. We're gonna go check it out. I'm gonna start the hike before anybody sees us. Like a tree fell down. So that ain't good. I think I fucking ran. So it looked like this tree fell right where I want to land on the tree jump. So I gotta try to get it out of the way, I think. Make sure I got a clear path where I'm landing. There's my car. All right, guys, we're hiking up the woods. It's pretty awesome up here. It's crazy. Pretty crazy to actually have this, not big hill, but pretty steep hill right down the road from my house. I continue to hike. All right, weird. Now we're just trying to find my route through the woods. I want to make sure I'm not going to run into rocks or trees or die here in the middle of the woods. So my plan is to go through the field, come down this little chute here. And the chute's right over here. Little chute. I'm going to make a right. There's the cliff. I'm going to stay to the right and head down over that way. Some fallen trees, so I gotta be careful. All right, we made it to the top of the hill, and that's where we're gonna be going down through the glades, and this is the open hill. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, we're gonna go switch the GoPro soon. We're gonna hike up, and then we're gonna shred down. Let's do it. I just want you to get a good look at the up here. It's pretty awesome. So we're about to rip down. Get a good look at the landscape. We're in between Kittnersville and Ferndale, somewhere in sorts. House is over there in that direction. Pretty dope. All right, I think we're able to go now. Let's do this, kids. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, gotta keep your tail back. Let's go. So we got this trail pinned. Yeah. Good. That was nuts. Down to the road now. Bear Creek shredder. Go!
Make sure you guys smash like, and if you have any comments about snowboarding, leave a comment, and stay tuned and subscribe for more snowboarding episodes of Skate Tutors Winter Edition. If you guys want to see more snowboarding episodes, click on one of the boxes, guys, right on the screen.